beautiful people, I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. This is the Sensational Butter Lace Butter Unit 16 in the color FlamboyageAuburn. This unit comes in 6 special colors. The length on this unit is 24 to 26 inches and the color and highlights were gorgeous. This unit has 3 combs, 2 at the top, a T-part, 1 at the nape, and the standard strap. Take your time cutting the lace, ladies. It says that the lace is virtually undetectable HD lace, and these are the people who make what lace. So you don't want to cut off all those baby hairs. Take your time. I also want to take a minute just to thank you all for the support, for liking, for sharing, and subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. We're friendly here. Not too friendly, but we're friendly. Guys, I'm using my Herbal Essence mousse to lay the hair down before I use my hot comb on 350 degrees to flatten the hair at the top. I hot combed the front because I wanted to kind of sit up a little bit in the front and just straighten it out and get the baby hairs that I don't want to use. Using my Got To Be spray to glue the lace down with my dryer on a cool setting. Guys, make sure you don't skip this step, please. This helps melt the lace so well. Look at that. What lace? I'm using my Black Opal Cream to Powder Foundation in the color 240 Heavenly Honey in my part. And I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Powder in the color 330 Toffee around my hairline. I'm using the Care Styling Wax Stick, and this wax stick was a game changer for me. Like, it had the hair just laid down exactly the way I want it, and it did not move. I am cutting the baby hair down a little bit. It was a little too long for me. Using my Herbal Essence mousse to lay the hair down. And then I used Got To Be in a black tube to set the baby hair. I just find the mousse, when I use the mousse, it's not as sticky as when I use the Got To Be. If I take too long with the Got To Be in a black tube, it's a wrap. I can't finish. Okay guys, so here is the finished product. Guys, I really like this wig. Like, she did shed and tangle, but those were the, she shed. She didn't tangle, she just shed, I'm sorry. And she was, the color though, the color, she was very beautiful, very easy to work with. The lace was gorgeous. I had no problem blending it. The hair was gorgeous. Yeah, I really like this wig. So let me know if you guys are gonna get this wig. This is the Butter Unit 16. Let me know in the comments what you think. All right, guys, that's it for me.